All right, so we're heading to Grand Isle right now. Captain Zach Joseph, we are going to fish a swole tournament at a Grand Isle for Mangrove Snapper, Red Snapper, and Cobias. Mexican Golf doesn't normally do this kind of stuff, but we will. And at the end of the day, we'll go above and beyond for anything y'all want to fish for. Even if you want to tie up to a rig, throw Mardi Gras beads all over it. Let's go. We'll get back to you. That's the best eating right there. That ain't the tournament one.
Stick it right here.
That's eating. Make the sandwich. And to be God's honest with you, that fish right there will purposely bite you.
What kind of fish is that one?
Mangrove Snapper. They will bite you on purpose. Intentionally get you.
And they will intentionally take you into the rig too.
Yeah. There it is, but they're not going to bite. Do you know what charity this is for? I understand, but
I don't know the name of it, but it's for like older people that can't pay the electricity bills. They donate all the money back to it, like we energy. That's what I was for.
Did I hook you too deep?
Probably. It's hard on these smaller ones to know.
Yeah.
All right.
Come back.
Take it out of the way. Keep whining, keep whining, keep whining. All right. Now, nice one though.
Maybe.
Good work.
Maybe. That's a good one. 8-10 pounder.
Solid fish. Nice. Good work. Oh. There you go. Oh, look at him right there. Oh, ho, ho, ho. Whose bait is that? Oh my God. Oh my God, come on back. Holy smokes. That was sick. Oh man.
What a butthole.
Come on, walk to the back, walk to the back, walk to the back. Go, 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 go. Turn the handle, turn the handle, turn the handle.
Oh, that might be a tournament one.
That's a nice one. You still hooked up?
Yeah.
Okay.
Ooh, Marlin.
That was a battle, huh?
Yeah.
You had some obstacles there. That was cool. All right. Nice work.
Good job.
Go ahead and hit that free spool. Look at that. I didn't pull that hook at all. You just kept tension on him that well. That was crazy.
Going big, going down. Jump down. No, you good. Right on it. Ridiculous. Oh, right there. Right on it.
Oh, wow. That's another hammer.
Whoa.
What we got? What we got? Come on. Give me a good one. Oh, ho, ho, another hammer. Nice.
Yep, you got the
Stud.
Red Snapper.
I'm gonna stick your finger in that.
I wanted to go in.
Oh! Gonna release this one?
Yeah. That one ain't good, me.
Did it? Yeah. Come on, Joey, what you got?
Woo! Keep them coming. Woo! Nice work.
Thank you, thank you. All right, once we get this thing up, we're gonna move to another one.
All right.
size fish in there.
Out in the grass.
Oh! Yeah, fishy, fishy, fishy.
You ready, Brad? Nice drag.
Can I have this tuna for the rest of my life?
Get it, Tony. Get it. Get it. There it is. There it is. Oh my God. Wow, he got chomped. Here, he's right here. He's right here. Oh, it's a little one.
Terrible. You gotta be kidding me. Captain Barret Ingram, Mexican Gulf Fishing Company. We're out here tuna fishing today. We're about 75 miles offshore, hooked up on the tuna. Transition to the offshore time from the shelf in the spring. That mother got 8. Wow. There's a shark problem even 70 miles offshore too. Gonna make another set before we get out of here. It's starting to get late in the day. Gonna try to get us another one. We got a few in the box, so it's been a good day.
Throw some out, throw some out. We got a runner. Go by.
Might take a spark.
Woo! Why did your mama name you Jameson?
Huh? I guess I got conceived on whiskey.
Holy shit, that thing got something going on. Wow.
Yeah, right there.
Crank down, come on, come on.
Right there.
Crank down, crank down.
Come on, Jamie.
Damn it, Jamie.
Really start. Yeah.